Gaza Nation, you see that little feud there, that little bad blood they wanna try to create between Vybz Kartel and Buju Banton. You don't bother with it. Don't bother with it, guys. Yeah, man, as a real dieted Gaza girl, may I tell you to leave that alone. Wagwan, my people. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Michelle and you're watching The Scoops. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. And make we talk about this, guys. So guys, there was a viral clip going around of Buju Banton performing. And during this performance, he was whining, guys. I don't know as a Rasta man, them a go beat Buju and talk about say Rasta not supposed to wind up and a carrying like that. Yes, guys, them drag Buju Banton and them talk a lot of things about him. Say man a real Rasta and him a man go, him a Rasta go and all these kind of things. You understand? So Buju Banton, he made a recent post on his social media saying that I want a favorite artist, want to tell for perform and stop rob the people their money. No, all the Gaza fans, yes, I have to say Gaza fans, because you just quick to believe say a Vybz Kartel Buju Banton talk about. Why you just assume say a Vybz Kartel Buju Banton talk? Kartel are not everybody's favorite artist. The man say no favorite artist, so it can mean any artist, because Vybz Kartel is not everybody's favorite artist. But all of the Gaza fans them in the comment, them tell Buju Banton some things. Uno diss the man, uno do the man real bad. Uno never have to disrespect Buju Banton like that. Buju Banton is a legend and icon in the music industry. You understand? Uno try to build a bad blood between Vybz Kartel and Buju. And remember, you know, guys, the fans them build a bad blood, you know, between Kartel and Massacre, you know. We draw out Massacre for this Nuffy and Scatter and all of them, you know, guys. All because of the fans, you know. And at the same thing now, them want to do draw out Buju, that's Buju. You know, get angry on this Vybz Kartel. You know, stop it, man. Stop it. Kartel already tell you know Buju is his mentor.
One Buju Banton, my favorite
Buju is Vybz Kartel mentor.
ever of all time. The boss, G this.
Adija Palmer, you don't know.
Yes.
This for the culture, greatness of the music scene.
Yes,
bigger than all of it. So watch out. Unity from four corners, east, west, north and south. Love it, yes, yes.
The negative energy we wanna bring towards this friendship between Vybz Kartel and Buju, we no need to let it go. A countless interviews Missy Buju Banton do, where Buju Banton state say Vybz Kartel a baddest thing.
Vybz Kartel is a man. Him stimulate me events with the music. If only him could have realized where him have.
Yes.
And turn the spanner anti-clockwise and then turn it in the right direction.
So he's misdirected, you're saying, at this time?
I wouldn't say misdirected, you know. I would have said no see it yet. I see one see it though, because I will take a time, let me tell you. What him said, come like remind me when me did Young Elizabeth Shabba as my mentor, as the man I say, everybody else didn't did bad. But him has said things.
Don't be quick to draw assumptions and assume that Buju Banton is talking about Vybz Kartel. He didn't call any name. He said your favorite artist. It could have been Vendetta. Remember Vendetta have him army too? Massacre of him. Beanie of him. Bunty of him. A lot of dancehall artists have them people who love them. Everybody have them favorite when it comes to dancehall artists. So why you not just jump up and assume say a Vybz Kartel man attack and I disrespect Buju Banton? We don't like that because when you see Buju Banton, when you see Buju beside Vybz Kartel, Buju Banton is one of the baddest thing in the dancehall. Buju Banton is the dancehall emperor. Remember me telling you that Buju Banton na league and class to himself. You understand? So no know what you do, man. And some of you know are young fans, you know. Some of you are young fans. We just start listening to Vybz Kartel the other day. When you just reach the age of consent, we want to start listening to certain Vybz Kartel. You understand me? I don't know disrespect Buju. You don't know who is Buju Banton, man? Them man they create them legacy in a dancehall. Them man they left them mark on dancehall. Them do it already and them still a do it. So you need to show some respect to the veterans, to the elders. Buju Banton is an elder and he not deserve this. Buju Banton don't deserve the disrespect or not dish out give him. He not deserve it. Buju Banton and Vybz Kartel are good friends. The two of them respect and rate each other. Them always give each other props. Buju Banton say, I remember in an interview when Buju Banton come out of prison, he say, before him go to prison, a cartel around dancehall. And him come back from prison, and a cartel still around dancehall. In our next interview, the man say, to all Vybz Kartel bad, if only Vybz Kartel know him craft, and put him craft into positivity, nobody can stop him. Vybz Kartel is unstoppable. Those are the words of Buju Banton. Buju Banton as a mentor to Vybz Kartel, as an icon to Vybz Kartel, somebody that Vybz Kartel look up to. I've never heard Buju Banton say anything negative about Vybz Kartel. And Vybz Kartel is always singing Buju Banton praises and afraid to make the world know. So look here, now my favorite dancehall artist of all time. Despite the fact you're a bounty killer, boss Vybz Kartel, Vybz Kartel never afraid to say Buju Banton. I'm an idol. Buju Banton, I'm an icon. Buju, I'm a mentor. Remember Vybz Kartel sing one song when you say,
from me a little youth, me tell myself me have a plan. Me want famous like Ninja Man. Me want big like Buju Banton. So every year me build 17 songs. Me not like the journey big long, but
you understand him never left out Buju and not know him I do. So me know say Vybz Kartel now go like this. This now go sit well with Vybz Kartel. Because everything where somebody say negative, only throw it on Vybz Kartel and assume say a Vybz Kartel the people them attack. Then you build this feud and this bad blood between Vybz Kartel and other artists. You know if you stop it, man. You know if you stop it now, a full time now, you know stop it, brother. I am a real diehard Gaza fan. But you don't never see me I try to ignite a feud between Vybz Kartel and another artist. You don't never see me a vlog and just I call up another artist name and just assume say a Vybz Kartel, the artist they attack. The artist have to directly say Vybz Kartel out of his mouth for me come address the artist there. Like how sometimes you hear Footer Hype will come and directly call Vybz Kartel name and will say Footer Hype, go know yourself, man. You have Vybz Kartel in the league or Beanie Man. Where him and Vybz Kartel literally a fight for the king of dancehall. So anytime he talk about no king and crown, we know directly say a Vybz Kartel him attack. So we will address that. But there's no way I could see Buju Banton wrote on his Instagram, Facebook, IG, TikTok, or whichever platform, write something saying that you go talk to your favorite artist and tell him to stop rob people and perform. I could have never assume say a Vybz Kartel attack. You understand? And try to build bad peace. So Gaza fans, you just load that, man. Load that because Vybz Kartel rate Buju and Buju rate Vybz Kartel. No bad blood no between the two party. So no bother started, please. Guys, let me know in the comments what you think about this story. You understand? Let me know. And thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for listening. Remember to subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. Walk good and spread love.
I don't watch comments because when I watch them I have to answer the ignorant. Because I have some guys out there where them pay, especially in Jamaica, and some girls, some all that girl them pay, and some bad why, you know them kind of people, eh? We call them D-man. I don't give a fuck. D-man. Them come on your page, and all them I try to is make you look like you don't know what you're saying. Me no pet them, me no pamper them. Them like me, my worst no blood clot like them. Because I know them are evil, I know them are demons, I know them are dopey. And them fuck Jamaica.
The Scoop.